Hey, welcome back to another video of eText. In this video, we are going to learn how to make Character AI generate image. Character AI does not currently support generating image directly within the platform, as it is primarily focused on text-based AI interaction and chatbot. However, you can combine Character AI with image integration tool to create a more immersive experience. Use Character AI to have your bot describe a scene, character, or object in detail. For example, you can ask the AI to describe character appearance or a scene in vivid detail. And you can use the image generator. For example, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, Arc Ray. Take a description generated by Character AI and input it into your image generation tool. You can also use Character AI to generate a story or character description and then turn that into a creative project by generating image. This allows you to have both the written and visual aspect of character or scene. Some of the tools like OpenAI are great for generating images from textual prompts. Midjourney is also a popular AI tool for creating art from text, and Stable Diffusion is an open-source model that can generate highly detailed images from text. While Character AI doesn't generate images natively, combining it with text-to-image tool can be a powerful way to create visual content from your AI generative narratives. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.